welcome back to Pray Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri, and today I just wanted to do a really quick video on some recent Amazon finds I'll be using and taking with me on my next few road trips. A lot of my road trips include trips to the cruise ports because those are pretty long, driving to those Florida ports. And I also do like to take other road trips to the surrounding beaches that are not too far from me. So I will be inserting some pictures of these items with the pricing from Amazon that you can purchase right now. The first item I wanted to discuss is this big box of kids can-do flushable wipes. I actually didn't realize that this box was this big that I was purchasing with, I thought they were going to be smaller packs of travel wipes. I forgot how many is in this box, but it'll say it on the Amazon picture. I can only use certain types of wipes and toiletries right now. My skin is just very sensitive right now for some reason, but Can Do is so great. It says it's for kids, but it's for sensitive skin and everything. And I usually order them from Publix, but Amazon has these big packs. I do travel with these. I keep these in my purse, and they are perfect for road trips because, self-explanatory when you're going to the bathroom. So this is the first item. Really good price at Amazon. These are going to last me a little while, and I really recommend traveling with wipes for adults and for kids. The next items I just recently got from Amazon. They recently came. Let's open my Amazon box here. Okay, the first item is really cool, something I hadn't seen before. These are called Loo Ready. Okay, they're a box of Loo Ready toilet seat covers. This is a pack of 30. So these are perfect for your purse. They are flushable Loo Ready toilet seat covers. So I'm gonna open one because on the picture they look pretty big, and I want to fold this out and see how big they are. I'll insert a picture from Amazon and the price. So they come, you open the pack here, easy to tear open. These are flushable. Oh yeah, these are pretty thick too, so not like those really thin ones that you see in those bathrooms. These are so important when you're road tripping because, obvious reasons again, those toilets are disgusting. When you have to, it's inevitable. If you're traveling more than 3 hours, and even at 3, you're pushing it for potty time, and you've got to run in somewhere, this is good to have in your purse. I'll probably keep these in my car. Actually, I'll probably, keep a couple in my purse and just keep these in my car because these are so important. And they're very nice, thick material. I'm surprised these are flushable. So important for road trips. It's, as a woman, especially if you're a woman, and if you're a guy and you got to do a number 2. You just never know what these bathrooms are going to have and not have. I would highly recommend these. I'll probably be ordering these again. So glad I found them. Again, they're by the brand Loo Ready. Okay, so this next item is pretty important for when you're packing in your luggage. I haven't tried these yet. These are the vacuum storage bags. This is a pack of 25. As you can see, you can roll your clothes up. Now, is this the one with the vacuum? So yeah, this is the one with the vacuum with the hand pump included. I'm going to try these for when I pack for this upcoming cruise in November. Okay, so they give you clips here. Here's the pump. And they give you multiple size storage bags. Let's see. It comes with 5 jumbo, 5 large, 5 medium, 5 small, and 5 travel roll-up bags. I think this is a really handy way for packing especially if you're gonna just carry a carry-on, that's great. But even for carrying like a big luggage that I carry, this will be great to help me stay organized. A lot of times I take a big blanket when I'm cruising, so this will make sure my blanket fits in that other big compartment by keeping my clothing items squished down as tight as possible. So it does have some instructions here. You got to pack the items. They should be completely dry. Seal gently across with the slider zipper, and then remove the cap from the air valve and vacuum the bag out. So I would also travel with the vacuum, of course, so that when you're getting ready to leave, you can put your stuff back in these items and pack it back up. I don't think this is too much to ask for when traveling with, but when I actually try this and pack, I may do another video just to show you guys how it worked out. Would highly recommend this. A friend of mine uses vacuum pack storage bags when she travels and she flies a lot, and she highly recommended vacuum pack storage bags. I don't know what brand she uses, but these are on Amazon right now. You can get smaller packets of them, smaller boxes. This is the 25 pack box. The next thing I wanted to show is this travel toiletry bag. Now, I have other travel toiletry bags, of course. One of the ones I have is a 3-pack, it's like a 3-section folding out one. I'll have to insert a clip of that. I forgot to bring it down here. And what I found is that it's super bulky in like all the suitcases. And it has the 2 sides that fold out, and it hangs as well, but it's just so bulky. So I was like, let me see if I can find something that is flatter and more square to lay in the suitcase better. So I'm gonna try this one next. I had bought that 3-prong one for my parents too, and I may see if they want one like this, because I just feel like that one is just so darn bulky. This size is a size large. They're out in the other sizes. The size large also came with this small pack here. I love that these are all plastic. This is carry-on approved, TSA approved, and this is a quart size bag right here. There's also netting in this part of the bottom, and this zips. All of these sections zip. Definitely would need the large size, but this is hopefully all I would need. And I love how this hanger is very sturdy. And then when you want to pack everything back up, what I love about it is that it rolls like this. You put the hanger like that, and you can buckle these buckles. So I'm hoping this is a better solution than that three-sided one I have that's super bulky and sticks out. We're gonna try this and see how much I like it. The next thing and last item I want to show is the new Travel Pro suitcase that I purchased this year. I actually took it on my Myrtle Beach trip with me. Oh, and I loved it. It's not as wide as my other huge, I think it's like a 28-inch spinner suitcase, but it's like long. They call it the trunk suitcase. And I love the shape. I love the compartments on the inside, and I just love everything about it. I'm going to be taking it on my next couple of cruises this year. So I'm going to show that next and insert a clip of that.
Here's the Travel Pro suitcase. As you can see, it has the TSA locks. You can set your code, stick the zippers in here, and lock the suitcase. And then once you put in your code, you'd be able to slide this back and the zippers would pop open. You can see it has the red lining on the zipper, and it has this cool little red button on the handle, and the handle is that dark pretty red. Here's the back of the Travel Pro, the 360 wheels, and then you have these handles if you need to turn it sideways and carry it that way. I really want to show you guys the inside of this suitcase. Okay, so the inside of this suitcase is fantastic. It literally already comes with suitcase dividers and this opening, this extra bag here that you can unsnap and use as you wish. It also comes with this net bag that's attached. These two buckles to buckle your stuff across once you pack it in. I absolutely love how there are already dividers in here. And then on this side, you have 2 extra compartments and a netting. And then you have this entire side here to put more items. I love this trunk suitcase because I love how thinner it is horizontally. And you can kind of slide it in amongst other suitcases a little bit easier because it's not as thick and bulky, but it still holds a lot of items, and it's pretty deep. This is pretty deep. I'll be taking this one on my next cruise. I did post the picture from Amazon with the pricing and everything. Highly recommend this suitcase. I did take this one on my Myrtle Beach trip. I have a separate video on where I went to in Myrtle Beach this year for the Hilton Grand's vacation, so go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so Amazon actually has this bag labeled as Traveler's Choice and not Travel Pro. This is a Traveler's Choice brand bag. My bad, y'all.
Thanks for watching, and come back soon for more cool finds.